This is Shovelhead 8 in my not so great studio here, with my two little helpers, Harper and Timmy. Harper went out for a good walk this morning, so he's all happy. So anyways, I've been cleaning the house, or cleaning out my closets. So I pulled some packs out before I put them back in. Might as well do a show and tell. Anyways, this is an oldie. This is an old Bergen style rucksack with an aluminum frame. I got that off my friend who was his brother's many years ago, and that's basically what I had to start with. And let's see. This is one of them waste bags, but it was a freebie from the military book club, and I used it for extra packing for other packs. This is a Canadian military pack. Internal frame, I guess you could call it. It does have a backboard in it. Has a radio pouch and stuff. It came with different bags you can attach to the outside. Got that one off now, but I've got these two hooked on. Probably not the best pack. Good for short distances, but you can pull the modules off and change them, I suppose, was the general idea. Here's a much larger pack. This thing holds a humongous amount of stuff, but it has no frames. Like, it has straps, has a waistband, but there's nothing, absolutely nothing except the foam pad. I imagine this was used as an easier to carry version of the old duffel bag. So, you know, to pack your stuff when you're being deployed or whatever. Anyways, it's rubber lined bottom and lots of large pockets in it, and a bad little dog. So, anyways, it would be good for carrying light stuff, for clothing and stuff like that. Nothing heavy. And here's I think this is a 1981 pattern, Canadian Army rucksack. Has a weird metal frame with the bag tied onto it with laces, but it has a space to put your sleeping bag down here in a waterproof bag, and pockets for your stuff. I imagine roughly equivalent of an Alice pack. And here's a pack I picked up at a yard sale. This is a really top quality pack, way better than anything else I own. It's half of the chest strap was broken, so I just got this aftermarket one. I've got a better one now, but I just haven't got it on. Excuse me. Anyways, this is a Kafaru pack. Anyways, it's a single compartment with a divider for your sleep cassette and stuff like that. And two British canteen carriers mollied on. The pack itself has no external bags, pouches, but it does have outside access through the side zippers here. So anyways, that's pretty well it for what I own for packs. So anyways, Shovelhead 8, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.